The strut clamp comes with everything that you need for mounting. By comparison, the duct hanger only ships with the C-clap hanger itself. You must provide all the nuts and the pre-cut threaded rods. Let's compare the assembly time using both methods. The strut clamp assembly is completed in 30 seconds, firmly securing the duct to the unistrut. But with the traditional duct hanger, you have to pre-assemble half the hardware before you position the duct in place. Then once the top half of the hanger is assembled, all those nuts have to be readjusted and tightened to ensure that the duct is secured correctly to the unistrut. So let's compare the times. It takes 10 times longer to install a connection using the traditional duct hanger. Using strut clamps means hours, if not days, of labor savings on your installation of a ducting system. And now, strut clamps are priced lower than duct hangers. So use strut clamps to install ductwork faster and at a lower cost than the traditional duct hangers. Visit our website or call us for more information.